This is a final video to fix Lethal Company black screen, and you won't need to waste time on complicated fixes. Are you facing a black screen every time you try to launch the game? This usually happens because the game fails to load graphics properly or conflicts with your system settings. Many solutions on YouTube and social media ask you to dive into confusing files or change hidden settings, which can be frustrating. But today, I'll share a secret trick that works fast and keeps things simple. You can fix the black screen without touching anything risky. If you want, I can make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what to do. Comment below and I'll guide you through it. Make sure to subscribe to Rexist so you don't miss this easy solution. This method saves time, works reliably, and gets your game running smoothly. Don't struggle with other guides. Follow the simple trick and enjoy Lethal Company without the black screen.